All right, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. I know you guys are. We're gonna be fixing some stuff on the Evora. We just did the brake plunger, the little brake pedal sensor. Brake pedal sensor. Made the car go into sport mode and cruise control and super fast. Well, also on that road trip, what we discovered with my Lotus Evora 400, that it had lazy hatches. So we're gonna open up the hatch real quick here. If I have the keys on me, I don't. So you can also open up the door over here and you can push this little button here. You guys heard that, and we're gonna lift up the hatch. Now you're gonna say, hey Mitch, it looks like your hatch stays up and works. One, my driveway is on a little slant here towards the house, so it does hold the hatch up, but in addition to it, it's a little bit warmer out. So we were just in Yellowstone, it got down to 30 degrees and we had to put some luggage in the back of this, and the hatch wanted to close by itself on flat level. So it needed new hatch struts. Same thing with the last video. You'll be able to find these elsewhere. I don't know about the competitive price or not, but the one thing is I like GRP, so I'm gonna support him. And so I'll support Greg's parts by buying them. Also, it's a direct fit, so you can just be confident in it. I believe they're about $50, $60, so $30 a side, I guess you could say. But we're gonna just swap out the gas struts. It'll be really easy. You can do this too. Okay, so we'll just do a side. It's gonna be a flathead screwdriver right here, and then a flathead screwdriver right here. You might wanna use your head up above to hold it open so it doesn't fall with only the pressure of one strut. But this little flathead will be able to pop this out and allow the keeper to release, there we go, out of here and come out of the ball joint. So we're gonna just do one. This might be a keeper that's just complete that comes out. I think it might be, no, it stays in, I think. But it'll allow the ball to come out of here, and then we're gonna do the same thing up here. It's a little flathead. Wiggle it in, and it'll allow it to come on out. Okay, so it's out now, just like that. I can feel that the hatch wants to fall down on my head. We're gonna open up the GRP right here and swap it for the new one. I believe they're Newton meters, and they're 200 and 250 Newton meters. And we're just gonna follow the same process. So we're just gonna push it in here. You can hear it clicks in. They say it takes 5 minutes, it really does. And then you're gonna push over here. Let's see if I can turn the strut a little bit. Yeah, we can. And then we're gonna slop it into there. Bam, just like that. And now it wants to stay up way more on its own. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same process on this side. Okay, and so here again is the GRP. And it just has a little female with the male stud here and the male stud up there. 250 Newton meters. Again, what we're gonna do is just put this flathead in there. It's gonna allow it to release. Be careful, be gentle. It's not like you're gonna reuse these. You're obviously gonna throw these away. I don't think you're selling them or anything. But just be gentle. Put your head up on the hatch. And then we're gonna do the same thing up here. It should allow it to come on out. Be gentle. Okay, there we go. And then I like this part because it kind of feels like it wants to go in, to be honest. It just feels like it's a nice fit. So we're gonna do the top one here. The gas strut is on the upper part, as we can see here, and then the extension's on the lower part here. We're gonna push all the way up with our head, and then push in the spot right there. That was a nice tug fit. And that's it. It's about 5 minutes. I don't know how long this YouTube video is, but it's gonna be about 5 minutes. We're gonna remove the old ones out of there, and then we're gonna slowly close the hatch, and the gas struts will activate. Yeah, those are way better. Oh, nice. Okay, there we go. I do not think that when you hit the trunk release button, it'll shoot up. I don't think it's meant to do that. I don't think they want that much pressure on it. So if we come over back to the Evora, we're gonna discard the other ones. We're gonna hit this unlock button here. It's twice, 1, 2. It does it. You can hear the latch release. Oh, we waited too long. 1, 2, there you go. Oh, I gotta do it again. No, I might have broke it. Let me try from the inside. Okay, I did want to demonstrate a couple things. I tightened these studs a little bit because they are too extended and it was putting too much pressure on the lock since the new ones are so taut. So if you're having the same issue, tighten the little mount, the cushioners here, and then we're going to close it here. It'll fit nice and snug like that. We're going to come back on over with the double unlock. Okay, and you can see it comes up, and then now we're happy. So if you're getting too much pressure, you can twist these suckers in like that, and then it'll make it a nice easy release because the new gas struts are so powerful that it was automatically putting pressure on this latch. Also, you might want to put a WD-40 on here and a little WD-40 in there or lubricant to grease it up so it has a nice thing. But that's it. 5 minutes, it's all done. It's beautiful. It should last, I don't know, 10 years probably, 5 to 10 years. But gas struts do go out, especially with the heat temperature. That's one of the things I was thinking about, is why would these go out? It's because this has hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Obviously the gas is going to escape, so that's just what it is. I know that the carbon fiber has a little hatch strut, more race car-y. Maybe we'll go to the carbon fiber, maybe not, we'll see. But that's how you fix it. I really hope that you guys found this useful. Please like and subscribe. If you need the gas struts, swingbymitch.com. You can do this. This is a 1-star install, meaning that it's 1 out of 5 stars of difficulty, really easy. And then make sure that you put your head up here so that the hatch doesn't come and knock you out. Other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. See you guys in the next video.